KwaZulu-Natal Premier Sihle Zikalala says there could be another hard lockdown if reckless behaviour continues. He's slammed the carefree attitude of some people in the province, with many not bothering to wear masks and attending large gatherings. COVID-19 infections are picking up steadily, with scientists concerned over a resurgence and second wave of infections.
Looking at the statistics around us, we can now safely say that we are definitely going back into a hard lockdown if there is no urgent and drastic change in behavior. Behavioral change is important. Let's make this clear. A second wave of COVID-19 will be stronger and deadly, not only in terms of taking human lives. It could deal our economy a major blow. It is something that all of us as right-thinking citizens should be doing, is to avoid this. We should put all means and practices to avoid the second wave. In this regard, we call upon the business community, particularly those who are in the food and hospitality sector and other sectors, to ensure that there is strict adherence to alert level 1 lockdown regulations. There is no use in chasing profit today only to be shut down by a hard lockdown tomorrow.
Zikalala is warning alcohol sellers to toe the line and obey the law. He says some outlets are breaking the rules by trading during weekends. Inspectors will be deployed to make sure the rules are adhered to.
Reckless trading in alcohol, therefore, has the potential to derail all the progress that we've made in preparing our healthcare system for a potential onslaught of COVID-19. Therefore, failure to adhere to the restriction in an effort is an affront to the state and, in fact, undermine all progress that we've made. We cannot tolerate that, and therefore our inspectors will be going out in full force to enforce the law in order to ensure compliance. In fact, we want to warn those posting pictures of themselves without wearing masks in liquor outlets. They are going to face the music, themselves and the owners of those establishments.
Zikalala added that some pupils will write 3-in-1 tests to make up for the missed exams earlier this year. School was heavily disrupted because of the months-long COVID-19 lockdown. Zikalala also sent his condolences to the families of teachers and pupils who died from the coronavirus.
We also wish to send our condolences to the families of all education stakeholders who succumbed to COVID-19. May their soul, or may the soul of the departed compatriots in the education sector rest in peace. In 2020, the Department of Education will be writing a 3-in-1 examination. The examination which were not written in May and June 2020 will then be written in November, December. The department has worked very hard to prepare the class of 2020, both academically and administratively. In terms of academic readiness, to ensure academic readiness under these very testing conditions, the Department of Education, under the leadership of MEC Mshengu, introduced intervention program in order to prepare learners for the 2020 examination and salvage the academic year.